Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th, dear students who study the light lesson. We study so many phenomena from this lesson. Today, let us try to understand some of the textual questions from it. So, the first question that is written on your textbook, page number 157, is: suppose you are in a dark room. Can you see objects in a room? Can you see objects outside the room? Explain. So the question says us that if we are in a dark room, can we see objects in a room? So clearly we cannot see the objects in a room because in a dark room there is no source of light. We cannot see the object unless and until there is a source of light. When the light ray falls on any object, when these light rays are reflected to the retina of our eye and the image is forward on the retina, so unless and until there is not a source of light, we cannot see the objects. So in a dark room we cannot see the objects in a dark room because there is no reflection of light that takes place inside the dark room. Unless and until there is no reflection, we cannot see the object. So its answer is simply that in a dark room we cannot see the objects. Can you see objects outside the room? So can we see the objects outside the room? That means if we are in a dark room, can we see the objects outside it, outside the room? So when we are in a dark room, we are not able to see the objects in outside. We cannot see objects in a dark room, and we see objects outside the room only if there is a light outside the room. If there is light outside the room, then and only then we can see objects outside the room. So dear students, simply we will write its answer as: we can see objects only when the reflected light from the object reaches our eyes. So we cannot see objects in a dark room, and we can see objects outside the room only if there is a light outside the room. So dear students, we will write this answer as: we can see objects only when the reflected light from the object reaches our eyes. So we cannot see objects in a dark room, and we can see objects outside the room only if there is a light outside the room, as inside the dark room no reflection of light takes place. Unless and until the reflection of light not takes place, we cannot see the object. So question second is: what is difference between regular and diffuse reflection? Does diffuse reflection mean the failure of the laws of reflection? So this question is explained in another video. Dear students, stay connected. As you know that the long videos are not uploaded at the 2G internet speed, so that is why we have prepared small video clips. Dear students, stay connected.